This is
Welcome to
over.
Cooking with Ksenia.
Yeah. You see these cups? They're attached. Great. Okay. We need some water. Where's the fucking water?
In the pitcher.
Okay. Okay.
What size is this? I don't know.
A cup is the biggest one.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
It's written in metric and in standard.
Alright.
It gives you both for convenience.
Okay, 1 cup. There we go. Ta-da. Great. Now we need...
Show us the label. Show us the label. You need sponsorship for this.
This is stovetop.
It's not stovetop. It's the bread. It's stuffing.
It's Kraft. Kraft bread stovetop stuffing.
Yes. And we are...
Well, of course, the home's here. Or say, go on, you gotta do this.
Okay, now we pour a half more, but we can do 2, I guess.
Yes.
You're really watery.
Make it look like spit and vomit.
Ew. That's so gross.
Now we need some butter. Okay.
That's probably about a cup, so yeah, use half.
We need a bigger spoon. We definitely need a bigger spoon for this.
Where'd you get that? Where'd you get that? No. Over there. First drawer.
Okay.
13 minutes?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's gonna go until she gets the stovetop in the pot.
Okay. I'm so glad I don't have to use a knife for this. I don't know how to do that.
Just use like half a thing, because once it melts, it's
Okay,
gonna be different.
Okay.
That's plenty.
I think that's too much.
Shut up!
Quick, say something.
She's such a Russian cook, I love it. Shut up! We haven't even had that much to drink. That's the best part. We had like a sip, we toasted.
Actually, Rosie, if you drink wine very slowly, it has a much more better.
Yeah, so the one sip that we had.
Okay. Go.
Cooking with Ksenia.
Cooking with
That's good.
Ksenia. I can't do that K before with that G sound.
Now, this is what you really have to do when you're cooking.
Ciao, down.
Okay.
Woo!
I'm good. Oh. How do you make this work, Megan?
Okay, only these 2 work. So either this button or if it's on, okay, so this one.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Shit, don't be sorry.
Oh.
And loads of kisses.
Bisous. Okay. Now. Megan, I think you have to turn the camera off because I'm gonna start cursing now.
Okay.